Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to take a detailed look at the HP 255 G9 business laptop, a budget-friendly machine that's designed for professionals, students, and anyone who needs a reliable everyday computer. Let's start with the display. This laptop comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD screen, which means you'll get clear, sharp images whether you're browsing the web, editing documents, or streaming videos. The large display makes multitasking much easier, giving you enough room to work on spreadsheets, presentations, or side-by-side windows. Now, powering this laptop is the AMD Athlon Silver 3050U dual-core processor. While it's not built for heavy gaming or demanding video editing, it's perfectly capable of handling everyday business tasks like Microsoft Office, email, online meetings, and web-based applications. The dual-core setup helps deliver smooth performance for light multitasking, making it ideal for small business owners, students, or remote workers who need something dependable. One of the strong points of the HP 255 G9 is its design and portability. Even though it has a 15.6-inch screen, it's still slim and fairly lightweight, so you can easily carry it between meetings, classrooms, or your home office. It also comes with a durable build, so it's ready to handle daily use. In terms of connectivity, you're getting multiple USB ports, HDMI, and a headphone jack. This makes it easy to connect external monitors, projectors, or other devices you might need for work or study. You'll also get Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless connections. Another important factor is the battery life. HP designed the 255 G9 to give you hours of usage on a single charge, which is great if you're working remotely or moving around during the day. Finally, let's talk about who this laptop is for. If you're a business professional who needs a laptop for emails, video calls, and document management, or if you're a student who wants a reliable device for online classes, research, and light productivity, the HP 255 G9 is a solid choice. It's not meant for heavy creative workloads, but it absolutely delivers on the essentials, and it does so at an affordable price point. So to sum it up, the HP 255 G9 business laptop offers a 15.6-inch Full HD display, an AMD Athlon Silver 3050U processor, strong portability, good connectivity, and reliable performance for everyday tasks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly business laptop that covers the basics, this might be the right one for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments if you want to know more about the HP 255 G9.